Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clone apps on Android. It's really simple and easy. There are a couple of ways to do this. Number one, if there is a separate application that's like for business or something like that within the Google Play Store, you can always go through and search for that type of application. Let's say I'm going for WhatsApp. WhatsApp, one of those type of apps that has like two different sets of apps. You have like WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business Messenger that's available as well, so you can download both and kind of interchangeably use both. So you don't necessarily have to use two different apps. You can also go through and download and use like a separate application version inside your Google Chrome. So Instagram, Twitter, X, whatever, you can use those inside of your Google Chrome browser as well. So you have that type of options there too. It's a very basic thing. Now what you are going to want to do, if you want to completely call in an application, you want to go through and you want to make your way over to your Google Chrome browser, and you want to go and basically search for those particular applications. So you can do is you want to go and make your way over into your Google Chrome browser, and you want to search for that APK file. So you can literally just type in the application name, and you want to type in APK, and all you are going to do here is you want to download that APK file. So there are a lot of different apps out of there like Aptoide, Download It, Up and Down, and APK Pure for APK services. What you want to do is you want to download and install these APK files via this other app. So what you can do here, and you want to make sure the application is good, you don't want to make sure there is no viruses installed in them, but that is what you can basically do here, is to install and download and install these other applications, and that is another option that you basically have here as well. So these are basically main ways to go and do it. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to clone apps on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.